To customize always on display in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down to the home screen and lock screen style. When we enter it, we can navigate down to always on display right here, and then you need to make sure that it's enabled. When it's enabled, we can scroll down again and then choose one of the options. Keep in mind that not all of them will allow you to customize them. So in this case, we can go for a text right here. This option always allows you to customize it. You can enter a text that you want to see in your always on display, change the color for it, change the size, and change the thickness of the font. And then there's alignment as well. And we also have the spacing, and then we can apply it. And that is how you can customize your always on display. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.